Hello, my name is Muhammad Yafi Gustaf and my partner is Kenan Fatahila Herdianto and Surya Rifki Fadila. We're from Group 5, Class 2 CC8. We going we want to present our project. The title is Media Server using Samba in Ubuntu. So this is the agenda. First we explain what is Ubuntu, and next we explain what is Samba, and next we start the installation, and the last we do the demonstration for it. First is what is Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a Linux distribution based on Debian, mostly composed of free and open source software, which means you can be a developer and develop your Ubuntu as you want. And Ubuntu is officially released in three versions. First is desktop, and then server, and the last is core. It's for the IoT device and robot. All of the three versions can run in one single computer or in a virtual machine.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Surya Rifki Fadilah, and I will explain the definition of Samba and how to set up Samba server on Linux Ubuntu. The definition of Samba. Okay, Samba is an open source software suite that runs on Linux-based platform, but it can communicate with Windows client like a native application. And Samba is able to provide service by employing the common internet file system. And Samba does performing for things like file and print service, authentication and authorization, name resolution, and service announcement. Samba can be run on many different platforms including Linux, Unix, OpenVMS, and operating system other than Windows, and allow the user to interact with a Windows client or service natively. And it can basically be described as the standard Windows interoperability suite of program for Linux and Unix. Okay, now I will show you how to set up Samba server on Linux Ubuntu. First, we open the terminal and we log in as super user. Next step is install the Samba server on our server using command apt-get install Samba. Okay, as you can see, my server has been installed Samba service, and next step is configuring the sme.conf script. We use nano command and next we go to the very end of the script and add an additional script as follows. Okay, next, save the script and start the service by using etc init.d smbd to start. Okay, now we add a user for Samba service. Okay, the server is running now. Next step is adding user for Samba service login. Okay, now we add one user for Samba service. By using this script as shown on the video. Okay, now we have added new user for the Samba service and we check how it works. Okay, this is how to access the Samba server. Like type slash twice and type the IP address of the Linux server and then okay. Okay, as you can see, this is the file that we share from the script and we try to open it, and the server will need to log in. And then click OK, and here we are. Okay, as you can see, we can access file and folder from the server, and we can add some multimedia thing in the server, and we can stream it in the media player. And my friend Kenan Fatayla will explain how to do that.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kenan Fatayla. I'm from Group 5, and in this section I would like to explain and demonstrate our project that is running Samba server on Ubuntu operating system. Okay, first of all, we have to start the service by typing this command: service smbd start. And after that we can connect our media player or file explorer to stream the media files. In this example, I want to use VLC media player. After we are opening our VLC media player and click media, open network stream, and here we put our server address and the mount point of our folders. In this example, my server address is 192.168.1.101 and the folder is videos. Okay, we just click, and that's all. We can now stream the video and skip or next our playlist. and so on. I want to give another example, but I'm using File Explorer. In my File Explorer, we can typing this address SMB, that is the protocol Samba use, and then typing the address of our server, also the folder that we want to put in this File Explorer. Okay, after that we find these files. In this example I have 4 files. Also we can change to the music folder and start streaming from here. Yeah, that's all. I think this example and demonstration will be useful for anyone.